for those of you who have watched my first video, I would like to say thank you very much. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any story time with me. Now, let's start with our welcome song, shall we? Hello children, how are you? How are you? I'm so glad to see you, I'm so glad to see you here today, here today. Alright! Now, today I actually have a theme for you, and that is animal sounds. I want to make sure that you know how each animal sounds. So let's start with our book, shall we? I have picked one of my favorite books. This is Brown Bear, What Do You See? Written by Bill Martin Jr. and illustrated by Eric Carle. I really like Eric Carle. His illustrations are just so nice. Let's start. Oh, by the way, instead of just reading it, I really would like to sing it out loud, alright? I hope you don't mind. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. How does a red bird sound? Chip, 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 chip. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. A yellow duck. Quack, 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 quack. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. A blue horse? I have never seen a blue horse. That's right, it is blue. Nay, nay. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. How does the green frog sound? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. A purple cat? I have never seen a purple cat either. Meow, meow, meow. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. Ooh. Woof, 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 woof. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep. Ba, ba, ba. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Ooh, a goldfish. Blub, 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 blub. Blub, blub, blub. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. A teacher, yes. Hello children, how are you today? Have you done your homework? Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children? How many children? Many children, including you. Children, what do you see? Now, do you remember what you saw? We see a brown bear, arr, a red bird, tweet, 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 a yellow duck, quack, quack, a blue horse, neigh, a green frog, ribbit, a purple cat, meow, a white dog, ruff, a black sheep, baa, a goldfish, blub, 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 and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. The end. hope you enjoy this book as much as I did. Okay, what's next? Well, I think I have prepared something special for you. Ta-da! What do you think this is? It's a farm! But wait a minute. Where are the animals? Well, you know what? Let's add them up one by one all together. Okay? And maybe we can sing the song Old MacDonald Had a Farm together while we add all the animals. Are you ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. With a cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle, cock-a-doodle, cock-a-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here oink, there oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there, here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Now I think this looks much better with all the animals. Now, do you know how to write farm? Shall we write it together? It starts with an F. And then we have A. After A comes R. And last but not least, we have M. I'm sorry, Mr. Sunshine. Here, F, A, R, M. Farm. And that's it. I'm gonna put it right here because we have done this together. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video and see you next time.